And hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna do this pinkish igari makeup. So I'm so excited. Let's get started this video. This me first apply moisturizer. Every day different makeup tutorial videos on my YouTube channel, so subscribe. And now next makeup videos comment in my community post, okay? And foundation. And now blending, blend and apply a foundation in my eyebrows. And this is the foundation stick. Now apply setting powder. And now me apply in my eyes pink eyeshadow. Now I am apply this eyeshadow in my lower eyes. Now let's contour your nose. We have to apply this liner very small and light. Now let's make a gesso. This is a blush. You can apply very light and soft. This is the white eyeshadow. Now me apply in my under eyes. Me apply for two lipsticks. This is the first pinkish lipstick. This is a dark red lipstick. Now I am using the inside in my lips. And now completed my igari makeup. This is my final look.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once.
Now guys, if you liked my makeup, so like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.